if yes. Why am I recording this? We can use this as a tool to listen afterwards. And then you also can use this as a tool to share with people. Okay. Apart from Zoom meeting, is there any platform? You see, at the moment, because of pandemic, we are using this platform. If you have your wherever you are from, if they are doing it physically, you can go and visit them. You can check with your sponsors and all that. That is to answer the question for Epilelia. Okay. Currently, because of pandemic, we are all in Zoom. And I love Zoom because Zoom allows you to listen. Whoever comes anywhere, if they're not listening, they won't get the best out of anything. We have been going, coming, but we're not listening. Okay. What is this? Mahesh, can you get this guy, give him voice a bit? So yeah, he doesn't have, he's not listening to us because he doesn't have a audio. So what you all need to do is listen in your heart. If you can listen in your heart and see this the right way, you can go a big way with us. Even if you start today, you can change your life in 6 months' time. Because the speed of the change is coming from technology, guys. The speed of change is coming from communication skill, the communication that's happening through technology. So I'm going to share with you a quick thought on how to look at this seriously. During this pandemic, there is something that's happening around the world, and that's very important for us to understand. Okay, I was just quickly preparing this for y'all, because in this pandemic, what we need to know is you can be either in the blurred part of your life. Life can be very blurry for you. And that's what's happening most of the world. And that is when you're caught up in what's happening around you. You see, they say life is not what's happening to you, but how you react to what's happening to you. Life is not what's happening to you, but how you react to what's happening to you. The person who reacts or responds, you can either react to what's happening to you or you can respond. The person who reacts is a follower in life, and he's very scared, worried. He's always a follower in life. The person who responds to life is a leader in life, and he's always a fighter, and he'll fight till he feels his own life. So this is a chance, this is an opportunity for us to be a leader in life. And we are giving you the chance from here. When you become a leader, you will have the speed of life, guys. You will work with time. You see, time, the ancient Indians, the Tamilians call it kala. Kala means time. The word English word I, in Tamil means complete self. Your complete self. That means your body, mind, and soul. If it's complete, we call it I. The most beatitude. In right word is beatitude. When we are born to our parents, we are already I. We are already a complete I. We don't have to have anything. Some people think when I have the car, I'm better. When I have the house, I'm better. When I have the money, I'm better. No, guys. You have to realize first, you're already better. Success comes. People think success comes when money comes and they go after money, but that is wrong attitude. Money comes when success comes, but we are already a success the day we are born. We are already a success the day we are born. So Kala and I means Kalai. Kalai means in English art. You look at the word art, A-R-T, aligned to real truth. Aligned to real truth. That's what art means. And Kala means time. I means your real truth. When you combine together, it becomes an art for you. And in the moment of now, you are actually performing an art, just like a singer, just like a dancer, just like an actor, and just like movie stars. We make them movie stars because they are performing an art in the given moment of now. But we are running after something because we have not found the I, the within us. So if you find the I the fast enough, then your life will be speed enough. I repeat that. If you find your I fast enough, your life will be speed enough, because you will be working with time. You won't be working against time. Today, we will keep working. The last 300 years, men have been working against time, and everything went haywire. So today, this pandemic, this lockdown, we are given an awareness. We are given an awareness. What is the awareness we are given now? You see, pandemic wellness awareness, I call it. During this pandemic, there is a wellness awareness, guys. This wellness is what I means. The moment you're born to your mother, you're already a fantastically wellness bonded person, bondless people. Okay, but we didn't realize that. So you need to transform yourself. So whatever coaching I'm doing, whatever coaching these people are doing with you, all your leaders are doing from SLWC Global System is transformational coaching. Be not of this world, be transformed. And transformation doesn't need time, guys. Today with speed, you can have the transformation. Within 1 month, you can have the transformation if you give it enough heart of your heart. Okay, so that's what I'm going to share with you, how to transform yourself. So SLWC Global Franchise System, the very word system is save yourself time, energy, and money. If I want to go to South Africa now, if I don't have a flight to go, then I cannot go. But if I find a way, there is a way. I can maybe swim there. If I'm a good swimmer, I can swim there. If I'm not killed by the sharks, I can reach there. Or I can go on road. Now there's a route there. I can even travel from here to Serbia. There's going to have a challenge now. So I can go by road. But the best way is the speed is a cliff aeroplane. An aeroplane is a leverage that we created, a system that we created to fly, guys. And that is what we call system. See, I am now talking to 290 people now worldwide. And through a system that's so powerful now, it's called Zoom. When this system was not there, my life was limited. My life was limited. So today life has become limitless, guys, limitless. So we have to realize now we are not limited people. We are limitless people. And this system will only work when you realize that. So what is SLWC? Darvina did a very good job. I really salute her. What I love about young people now, they can give you the essence in a very short time because they are trained by YouTube. We guys maybe take 1 hour, 1.5 hours. They can do it in 30 minutes because YouTube power is there for them. So they give you the packet very well. We call it capsulate. They capsule the thing so well for you within a short period of time. That's what we call PowerPoint presentation. And that PowerPoint presentation now, I'm just giving you in depth a little bit so that you make a decision. Many of you sitting here, if you already made a decision, you will be 100% to Superlife and the time will work with you. How do you do that? Superlife. That's what we want you to have, Superlife. We always look for Superman. We always look for all the superpowers and we always admire them, their superpower. But we didn't know that we have the superpower in us. We can go to the grave with the music still in our heart. We can go to the grave with the music still in the heart, the super music in our heart. So this is a chance for you to bring out the super in you. When you bring out the super within, your life will be super life, guys. How do you do that? You have 3 kinds of wealth here. When you buy the packages that Darvina shared with you, super package, Star, Supreme Plus package, or the Star package or Starter package, you are now participating in what we call wealth creation. Wealth creation. Your first wealth that you're going to create, the first wealth that you're going to create is number 1, health wealth. Health wealth. Health is created because you're not selling the product, you're consuming the product. If you come in the system, if you don't consume the product, then you're cheating yourself, you're cheating the system. Okay, you cannot cheat the system, guys, the system will know. But if you use the product, you will speak from your heart. I repeat that. If you use the product, you will speak from the heart because the product will do wonders for you. Whether you're young, old, everybody is going through tough times now. Everybody is having a depression now. Everybody is having challenges now. One who has that, the product works wonders. So STC30 that you can do wonders because it has got 50 nutrients that you will have to get from so many various kinds of plants. It is given you in one sachet. One small sachet, nanotechnology base, is giving you the 50 nutrients a body needs for the whole day. So I don't have to take balanced breakfast. I don't have to take balanced lunch. I don't have to take balanced dinner. I can take anything I want to feed my hunger and my thirst because I've taken STC30 in the morning. So that is the first wealth. And when your body is taken care very well, the body is the greatest contributor for you guys. When the body is taken care very well, the body is the greatest contributor for you. If your body is not taken care very well, your body can be a greatest mess for you. It can be a greatest liability for you. So how you take care of your body is how the body will work for you. And we have now, the pandemic has made us realize exercise is important. The way we take food is very important. So STC30, SLWC, we say, my health is my wealth. My health is my wealth. So we are not interested in people to come and sell here. We are not interested people to go look for sick people here. We are interested in people who are really serious in taking care of their wellness. Wellness means your body, your mind, and your soul is working in oneness, complete oneness. So that can happen when your body is vibrating. And that vibration can happen to your body when you take STC30 first thing in the morning. Okay, that is the first wealth. The second wealth is we are giving you. Okay, somebody is asking, yes, the screen is sharing, we can be seen, guys. Okay, the second wealth we are giving you is what we call as wealth is wealth. That means money is wealth. You can have the best of wealth. You can have the best of, you can be the most loving father, mother, most loving boyfriend. most loving girlfriend, most loving everything. But today's society only sees us on how much we contribute in terms of economic term. I was once an insurance manager. How do we value a person's insurance value? We will see its economic value, not his life insurance means it's not his life. What will he earn during the lifetime? And that is the value he can buy insurance on, the lifetime value. So our value is determined by how much we contribute and how much we earn. So we give you a chance to participate right from the comfort of your home through the power of the smartphone. Sitting in your home, you can travel the world and you can talk to people you have not seen, and you can create GPI, Global Pipeline Income. So that is number 2. Wealth creation number 1, health. Wealth creation number 2 is wealth. MCO means make money, make cash online. And the third one you're creating, which is most priceless of all other wealth, guys. You can buy the product. You can buy money also, but you can never buy this. What you see in Mahesh Pubadi at age of 19, and he's given a platform to express it. It's what I call as personal development. At the age of 22, 36 years ago, or 37 years ago, I was introduced to a platform like this. I capitalized on it, maximized on it. Today at 59, I'm able to express myself well. And I'm able to express to 200, 300 people every time. Now, I think so, during this pandemic, within 1 year, I would have spoken to easily more than 20, 30,000 members, guys, worldwide. And that is what we are giving you. Health wealth, wealth wealth, and personal development wealth, SLWC. C is for creation. Remember, when your body works very well, your mind works very well, your soul will work very well. When your body, mind, and soul works very well, you are the most powerful co-creator ever created. Or the co-creator means the creator has given you a chance to create. Now, how do you do this? You participate in Super Life Wealth Creation completely. When you buy the super package, you are complete in the program. You are complete the day you are born to your parents. You're complete the day you became a baby. You don't need anything else to be complete. But you are a complete. Why do you come to do a business which you know it's a powerful business, is as complete as you? Why you pick the incomplete one? If you cannot afford it, then you go for the next one. But your immediate goal should be to become in the super package. So you get a complete version of Super Life Wealth Creation Program. Next, how do we make money from this? We promote global promotion of Super Life Wellness Care, guys. Today, the world during the pandemic needs wellness care. It's Buddha who said, Mahatma Buddha said, if you want to light up your life, light up other people's life. When you light up other people's life, your life will be lighted naturally. And I was trained on this. I was given this message when I was 22. You can get anything in life you want if you help enough other people to get what they want. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And all the system is asking for you is 2 business partners on your left and right. When you share this Super Life Wellness Care, either through Instagram, either through Facebook, 7 billion population in the world, 5.4 billion people are in the phone now. And when you share that, what happens? 6 will say, I just want to consume the product. Let them. You are not going to sell them. They're going to buy from the company directly because you just make them member of the system. When they buy from the company regularly, you make some money also. Secondly, the 3 of them will become as retailers, maybe beauty centers, doctors, and all that. And in India, a lot of doctors, all 3 doctors are doing a wonderful job. In Sri Lanka, a lot of doctors are a wonderful job. In Nigeria, they're doing a wonderful job. So you can attract those people in the second category, 3 of them. First time they buy from you as member, second time onwards, they buy from the company directly, but you make money from them because they're on a network. But the 1 or 2% out of the 10 say, I want to do business seriously. And during this pandemic, there are more of them want to come in that manner, guys. And just bring them 1 partner on the left, 1 partner on the right. And then this is a business, you don't take care of yourself, you take care of the 2 people. And you really give your heart and mind and soul to build them. And when you do that, you see the word bless means be less of you, be more than of others. And this is a chance for you to do that. The word mother means more of other. So you serve the 2 people. Service to mankind is a rental you pay to God for the space he has given you on earth. Serve the 2 people. And they will keep on serving, your network will grow, guys. And that's how powerful the system is. 270 of you here. You are a power of 1. Your power of 1 is shaken now. It's very badly shaken because of the pandemic. Your power of self is distorted because of the pandemic. You may be a spiritually strong person. Your human spirit is very strong, but the pandemic has given us a jittery now, and we are a bit depressed now because of that. And then if you don't have a focus, if you don't put something of value, you don't participate in a program like this, then you are going to go in more worse situation now, guys. Because where emotion goes, energy, where energy goes, emotion goes. The word emotion means energy in motion. Most people let go their emotion into anger, into fear, into unwanted things. And that's why they're not getting things in life. And they have the power of the self, power of the one. And then when you put your heart, mind, and soul to do this business, remember I told you, when you put this energy of your your complete self, your beauty self, as what they call in Tamil, I. And that I, when you merge with time, in this time, you only focus on doing super life. What would happen? Your energy will be merged in that. You got no other things to think about. An empty mind is a devil's workshop. A focused mind is an angel's playground. A focused mind is an angel's playground. When you focus, your angels will come to support you guys. And that is a fact of life. And then your intellectual will improve. Because you keep thinking of this, you keep thinking how to improve this, new ideas will come. Intellectually, you will be better. And when you have all this, your vibration will even improve. Your body vibration will improve. Your way you move will improve. The way you think will improve. I see a lot of people evolving right in front of us. A guy who couldn't speak English today is speaking English to so many people around the world. A guy who didn't have car today have car. So all this will happen to you because your vibration is improved. When your vibration improves, how you interact with the society will improve. If you are angry, when you go to society angry, you'll get back anger energy back. If you are fearful, when you go to society fear, you'll get fear energy back. Society gives you only what you bring to them. So today we give you a powerful way to bring the best energy to them. That's called a love, guys. And when you give love to society, society will give you back love. And then you create your own environment. Your environment is not created by society. Your environment is created by you. Your environment is created in your home. If your home is happy, your emotion is happy, your interaction is happy, physical happy, social happy, your environment will be happy. Then finance, money will come looking for you. Many people are running after money because they are not happy somewhere here. And they are struggling for money. When you are happy, all this and it works and the circle works well, then finance will be a flow for you. So what is wellness? Wellness is not absence of illness. Wellness is the presence of complete mental, physical, and emotional well-being. And when you participate in this program, once a month, we have a superstar empowerment. We will go in depth on this. I'm not going to go in depth. I'm just going to go on surface on this. We will have wellness is defined even by WHO, a state in which a human being functions at an optimal level of integration, and body, mind, and spirit. And then the well individual is on who is happy, healthy, and whole. You have to be happy first for money to come. Are you singing because you're happy? Or are you happy because you're singing? Today's world is making you to be happy first, guys. When you're happy, singing becomes a natural process. So you have to have spiritual wellness. You have to have emotional wellness. You have to have intellectual wellness. You have to have physical wellness. You have to have social wellness. You have to have vocational wellness. This is the most important thing SuperLife is offering you guys. I can work for someone, JOB. Some people say jackass of a boss. I don't cater for that. JOB is JOB, job. And you have not find something you love to do, even if you work for a job, you will be very miserable there. But if the job is what you love to do, whether you will make even little income, you will enjoy working there because it becomes a calling in life. What is the difference between job and vocation? The word vocation comes from the word VOC. Voc means Latin word for calling. It's your calling in life. So the day I realized this is my calling in life, I work no more. In fact, I realized that at the age of 22, but I had to go around the world to find back that is my calling. So today, when we are giving you this calling, and this calling can help you guys. Okay, that's very, very important. Vocational wellness. Somebody is asking me to talk about SCC30. SCC30, you come on Friday. That's on product training. Okay, now, but I'll cover that also now here. Wellness on emotional, spiritual, intellectual, physical, and social well. You see, we are not selling the product, so you don't have to worry about the product. Don't come to study about the product because the product is not to be sold. Only when I'm selling something, then I have to learn the something. Here I'm going to consume. I buy a television. I don't have to worry what's behind the television. I use the television to watch what movie I want. Use the product to get what you want in life, guys. It's about wellness care. Wellness care. Okay? Wellness care begins with a good career, pillar one. social career, a career which helps you socially, financially, physically, and also community-wise. And we are giving you that in this super powerful system. And you can have a very powerful workplace. When your workplace is happy, you work no more. And that workplace is right from your home, work from home. And your work from home is going to be happy because you're going to work from your heart. And when you're working from your heart, you're working feeling happy. When you're working feeling happy, you work from home. Home is where your heart is where your home is, okay? Now, Superlife will help you in this area of your life. Superlife is product, STC30 is going to be the foundation product for you. It's a shield that protects you against any viruses that's going to come. It's a shield because it's protecting your cells. And that cells needs complete food. It's a cell equalizer, body, mind, and soul balancer, cell enhancer, and it's going to give you subtle energy to rotate your cells. You see, the subtle energy that rotates your cell in Sanskrit, we call it Shukshma. There is an energy rotating in your cells, guys. It rotates like a fan belt. And that's why in Buddhism, they call it like a fan. They call it swastika. It runs like a fan belt. And that fan belt must be rotating always. And STC30 helps your cells fans to run. If your cells fans don't run, your cells won't work, they die. So when the cells are working very well, your tissues are working very well, your organs are working very well. When your organs are working very well at 59 like me, I can think like 25, I can act like 25. So that's what we are trying to do with STC30. My health is my wealth. And then we have SIC. SIC is a protection against what's happening around. Immunity booster. STC30 alone can do the job, but we need a booster, guys. Because we got 12 vital organs to run our systems. We got 5 vital organs to run our immunity system. Immunity system is your first doctor, your first defense mechanism. And if they are going over time, you're going to have problem everywhere. Inflammation will be created in your body. So we have SIC to support your 5 organs. Then we have SEC to cleanse your colon. Your colon is your headquarters of your body. Your gut is in fact your headquarters of your body, not your heart. If your heart, your gut is clean, your process takes care better, then what happens? Your immunity got better place to stay. 80% of immunity is actually in your colon. So we have a very powerful colon cleanser. And also now a lot of people are sitting. I'm sitting here sometimes 2 hours, 3 hours. So I need something to burn my fats also. So we have a sanitron here to burn the fats. So that is another powerful product we have. Then we have SNC. Today, as young as 3 years old, a baby is given a phone in the hand, but it's affecting the neuron system. We have another powerful neuron care system to take care of that. So we don't have only just STC30, we have SIC, SEC, SNC. We have complete food for your cells, complete protection of your cells, and then complete enhancer of a whole performance, health-wise. And that is what our product does for you. So when you participate in the system, you're getting all that, guys. Then, of course, now we need to have daily prayer, daily meditation, and daily exercise. Combined with this, your new norm is going to be the best norm ever. And that's what we are giving you now. A chance for you to have cellular care, colon care, immunity care, and neuron care. So STC30 has got these 15 nutritions. You have to go around, the market, you have to go around your home, you have to go around the country to go and look for all these 50 nutrition in one place. We have that in one sachet. And it's all in nanotechnology. Nano means 1 billionth of the molecules. When I put a headphone without wireless, that's what I'm doing. And same thing here. We went to the box of the tree and got this. And it comes from Mibel Biochemistry. Mibel Biochemistry just celebrated the 30 years birthday, guys. So they are a system that based on Mother Nature. So we work with Mother Nature using science. So that is somebody who asked me a question on STC30. This is the one, guys. You see someone who sits here, if you are sitting on mind base, your mind will be restless. You want to know more. But if you are sitting on body phase, you won't sit here. You'll just go off because body can sit only 15 minutes on a chair. Mind can sit for 45 minutes, but soul can sit forever. That's why a girl who loves a man or man who girl love, they can sit for hours and talk for hours. They don't even know if a plane hits them. And that is what we're helping you to, guys. Sit on the soul level and listen to what we are sharing. You'll get the best of what we are giving you. STC30 will do that for you. SIC will help your immune care. Today, my wife cooked for me this moringa. I told her we must take the picture of moringa and sell. Moringa, when I was growing up in my village or my estate, around my house, we used to have moringa tree. Moringa tree is like a protector for our home. It protects the home from electricity, from lightning strike. And even those days, we didn't have a toothbrush and all that. We need to use the stem to brush our teeth. And then Moringa is a very powerful immune booster, guys. So we have Moringa now. When this lady was trying to come and sell us, she had one pack. She was trying to push us the other pack. My wife said, no, buy both. She said, sir, even if you cannot cook, you can soak it water. You can just drink the water because it will help you a lot in your immunity now. And that is what we have in SIC, guys. You don't have to go and buy a lot of this, just drink this. And then combine together with all the other powerful tools, this is a super duper immune booster. We have friends here. I know one of the guys sitting here in the room from Singapore who took care within 3 days is corona attack, guys. Okay. So that is the power of this. And then we have Colon Care. Colon Care is one of the best product ever. In fact, I was involved with the company to create this. They asked my idea. So I told them to add this Amalaki. Amalaki is a special fruit that's only found in Himalayas. In Himalayas, every month of March, they pray to these trees because they believe that it's an angel that came down from heaven to give us support, Amalaki. The word Ama means bad energy. The Aki means old age. If you take away your bad energy from your body in your system, you can live old age, guys. And that's what longevity is all about. If your stomach is not clean, your stomach is not taken care properly, you will die early. And that's why they say constipation and indigestion is the fastest wheel to the grave. So we have a super duper product, not only to cleanse your colon, to manage your colon, but to take care of all your digestive organs, guys. So they have proper digestive system going on. And now with Sinatron there, it's a very powerful tool now for us to burn this thing while we're doing. And I can see the changes in me also. It's helping me a lot, okay? Now, SNC. Oh my God. SNC is a must, guys. SNC is a must product for everyone now because we cannot be without the phone. You see, I'm using my iPhone to talk to you all. I'm using my laptop to present. I'm using 2 gadgets now here. I'm using 2 lights. I'm using 2 Zoom lights. All these are creating what do you call creating unwanted energy for me. And they're going to harm myself if I don't protect it. I wear specs to protect my eyes, but that's not enough. My organs are open. The biggest organ that we have is our skin. And when you are excited like this, you're enthusiastic, the pores open up. So it absorbs. So we need this, guys, SNC. And SNC has got saffron, very expensive. It only comes from Middle East. Younger days, our mothers used to give the pregnant ladies, they say, if you take this saffron, you will have fairer child. But that is just to lure them to take it. But the idea is they can have natural birth without any cesarean. And when they take this, their nerve system will be relaxed. If they are a mother who has to go through one of the worst pain ever, because childbirth is the highest pain of all pains in the human body. And if a mother has to go through that, this can relax. That means what about your pain and eye pain during this pandemic now? People are going through depression, capillaries are shrinking, and nervous breakdown is happening. Let's help them to relax their system, guys. So you see, we have all the products to take care of you health-wise, guys. And this product, some people say it's expensive. It's only expensive compared to what? Ferrari is expensive. And other cars are cheaper. You see, you pay the value for it. You have to compare apple to apple. If you want to make it cheap, very simple. Participate in the system. Any system you're making profit and you buy from the profit is no more expensive, guys. And that is the idea of the system. You buy the system, you share the business, and then you enjoy your life, okay? Now, how do you share this business to global market? How to make big money, fast money in simple way? 255 of you here, very simple. If one of you really understand what I'm sharing now, from your soul level, today the world is pushing us to go to soul level, guys. If you can listen to me from soul level, you don't have to go to any place of worship to realize that you are a powerful soul. We are all a spiritual being with a soul energy. If you can use that soul level and listen from that, don't use your ears, don't use your mind. Listen from your soul. And if you can listen to that, one person listens, million souls will change worldwide. And we are giving you a very powerful tool right from the comfort of your phone. The whole world is in your phone now. 5.4 billion people are sitting in their phone. You're chatting away, talking away, we are wasting our time. Our greatest asset God has given us is time, guys. I see lately my good friend, Dr. William here has gone into TikTok. So I also went to TikTok. I see a lot of people from so many parts of the world are in TikTok now. But some of them, they are just wasting the time, but they are very talented, more talented than the actors and singers. But if that is not going to give them value, it's going to be just waste of time. But some people, I know one lady, for the entire 2020, she just TikToked away and she became very popular. Today, she created a brand, and that brand is very popular. She created agents to sell the brand. If you have that, go ahead. But if you're going to waste your time in TikTok, might as well come in here. What are we going to teach you? We're going to cuff yourself, guys. Your soul energy is the purest of purest of purest energy. The pure energy will be wasted. You're going to waste on unwanted things. We are giving you a chance to participate in a global digital pipeline. You're going to lay a pipeline from your home to a virtual pipeline from your home to many parts of the world. And you're going to help at the other end of the pipeline souls to have changed themselves health-wise, wealth-wise, and financial-wise. And when they change themselves, all that area of life, they're going to thank you. And that's going to give you a very powerful soul satisfaction career for you. And money will flow for you naturally, guys. And that's why we say, start local, go global. We didn't know this pandemic was coming in 2017. But we prepared ourselves. Chance favors a prepared mind. We don't know what's going to come. Bill Gates said, within the next 25 years, maybe there might be another worse pandemic than this. At least here, we are given chance to prepare ourselves. And now God has given such a powerful tool to prepare ourselves. We may not be around. We are now hitting 60s and all that. But the young guys like Mahesh Bubadi, like Nick Lim, like Darvina, like so many people around the world, if they see this the right way, many people's life is going to change according to the new way of things, guys. So we are asking you to come to a new norm and work with the new self and then enjoy this. If handphones can change their versions, if TVs can change the version, if laptops can change the version, why should we be the old version always? Pandemic now is pushing us to change to a higher version of us, guys. And this is a powerful tool to change your version. Okay? So before I end the session, SuperLife saves lives health-wise. We are saving lives worldwide. A lot of people, you go to Google, go to YouTube, do your own search and research. SuperLife is not in question now. You are in question. Do your search and research. You see lots and lots of testimonies. You can put STC30 and you can put any sickness in the world. You can see testimonies on that. And these testimonies, not companies making claim. In fact, SuperLife is one of the most neutral company I've ever seen. They don't do anything. It's we leaders who are doing it because that's the best way to do it, guys. They gave us a very powerful platform. We have to move the platform. And that platform is now open for all of you. You can sit down outside there. You can criticize the platform. You can condemn the platform. You can curse the platform. But nothing is going to happen to you. Or you can come in. You can take the chance to change your life and then to make a choice of that. Take a choice to change your life and take this chance to improve your life, guys. Okay? So health-wise, SuperLife creates GPI global pipeline, wealth-wise, and SuperLife builds personalities, leadership, like people like Mahesh Bubadi. I assure you, maybe in another 5 years, it's going to be the most powerful presenter, most powerful. Maybe he's going to create his own company as CEO. Every time I train young people like this, I always tell them, train like you're going to run your own network marketing company in 10 years' time, 20 years' time. Don't train like you're going to be a distributor. Company needs distributor, but we need leaders, guys. You need to become a leader. Okay? So SuperLife builds personalities leadership-wise. Life is super with SuperLife. Dr. Maha, continuous and never-ending learning leader of SuperLife. And that's what we want. We call it in Japanese term, Kaizen. Continuous and never-ending learning. SuperLife, life is super. Thank you so much. Over to you, Mahesh Bubadi.
Yes, really, and a powerful insight for every one of us because we have a good platform where we are going to get a health and of course a good wealth. But what is the next question is how are we going to transform ourselves? The personal development is very, very important because when you see a millionaire right now, he won't be like normal people. Maybe the attitude, the character will be completely different from that. So if we need to be such person, we need to shift something in ourselves, and that is the most important thing, and that is the most important aspect wherein we will attract everything in life which we need. It can be a good health and it can be a good wealth also. All right. So I think I learned a lot of things today, and it would be a really, really amazing insight for every one of us. So it's time for the action because the word attraction, okay, the last 5 powerful words of the word attraction is action. So we need to take a powerful action. So it's a right time to start, right time to begin, right time to create your success story. All right. So
Mahesh, we still have about 8 minutes. We are still very early because it's now only 9:22 Malaysian time. Okay. I see a lot of some leaders are excited to share. I can feel their vibration. Sir, call me. Okay. So I'm going to help you to call few of them. I can see Prakash Armugam from Malaysia. He's got a team in Tennessee. He's got a team growing very well, big team. Let's hear from Prakash. I know he's longing. Dr. Maha, please call me. Okay, go ahead, Prakash. You can unmute.
Thank you very much, Dr. Maha. Thank you very much, Mahesh Bhubadi. Wonderful session, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share something. Actually, I don't know how. Maybe because it's soul, so Dr. Maha can hear me. Okay. In fact, I was writing what I want to share today. Good point that Dr. told about pandemic that's going to come, the next pandemic in 25 years, right? So we need to create something for the next generation. We need to leave some legacy. Okay, I remember somebody told me about this, when your children are asleep, go to their room and look at them, and that will be your motivation to work even harder. Okay, because we need, they are our, the reason for all our efforts. Okay. Okay, I want to share something about my interesting leaders in US. Lately they are very fired up, especially this pastor Daniel. He just joined on the 2nd June. I want to share about him because it's a very interesting guy. Ever since he joined on the 2nd June until today.
Prakash, before you go to him, how did you get this gentleman? Just to help the people to know that you can sit in the home and you can also reach out to people in America. How did you get them? Just quick one.
Can, sir, no problem. I'll share. Okay, I got these people. Basically, most of my teams are from Facebook. The reason, the idea is network marketing is no more like push effect. It's pull effect. You have to change yourself to be a magnet. Okay, you have to promote massively. You have to shout out to the crowd, and you have to let the whole world know that you are the Superlife agent. You are a Superlife member. Don't shy to share this, or don't shy to tell this to out. So when I promote on a Facebook, I do a heavy advertisement. Always, you can check my status. I'll do something on my status. So people, when they look at your Facebook, you must be a very active person. When they look at your status, you must be a very active person. And it's how you take care of them, right? And this is the criteria that people are looking at. You see, anybody can become a Superlife member, but it takes a good leader to churn and turn them into a successful person. So what I did, like what I get from our leaders, I always call up my prospects. I always call up, follow up. This is important. Sometimes I don't sleep until 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, right? So it doesn't care what time. It doesn't mean what race, what grace. So this is how I get them, Mr. Maha. Okay.
All right, go ahead now. What do you
yeah. So once I got, actually I got Miss Daniel through a lady called Edna. I think Dr. Maha, you know Edna.
Yes.
And yeah, and through her, I was keep on pushing her. Initially, she was, she's very health conscious lady. But once she see that there is an opportunity here, what she did, she went all out. She talks in the church. 2 days back, she told me she talked in a church with 200 people there, about 15 people there. She went, because they have this session, you can go in front and share what are you doing, So she go and show the box. She say, I'm doing Superlife. I'm taking this, And these people are just like, oh, really? I want this. Where can I get this? How can I join here? Okay. So from Edna, I got Mr. Daniel. The interesting person is about 60 plus. And yes, he's a pastor. And the very first day, this guy joined on the 2nd June, if I'm not mistaken. And until today, he haven't received his product. 15 days, he haven't received his product. But I tell you, my friends, he already signed up almost like 4 Super and 1 Supreme. I tell you, it surprised me because normally what we say, let me take first, I got a confidence, then I will talk. But he's joined, I hook him up in the Zoom. Okay, he came to our Zoom, he saw Dr. Maha. In the first day in the Zoom, I remember Dr. Maha called him. All right, and he got the motivation. He had a confidence on the system and he have a confidence on the company. This is what required. This is what required. And until today, I'm still telling him because due to pandemic and all that, the product haven't reached his place. But he said, no problem, sir. I have a confidence on you. I'll wait. But he's signing up and signing up and signing up. The interesting, the other day, he called me at 3 o'clock in the morning, Malaysia time. He asked me how to go to Dubai. I was like, do you want to sign up somebody in Dubai? So I tell him, okay, you go here, sir, you check, this is the price for Dubai, everything. He said, no, 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 that's not what I'm looking for. I want to go to Dubai. What is the qualification? That is what I see is a long-term vision that he has. He said, I want to go to Dubai, what I should do. So that moves me that I told myself, when Mr. Daniel go to Dubai, I want to make sure I'm there. Okay, so today, somehow or other, I always share this session to 200 people to 300 people every time. And at last, after 6 months, about 10 of them are sitting here now. So don't worry, guys. Whatever you do, the Lord is watching, the God is watching. Do your best. In Tamil, Dr. Maha always say, "Adikka adicha, varadu varum." Okay, so do that. Whatever you do, it will be rewarded accordingly. Don't worry about that. Just do your duty, guys. Thank you, Dr. Maha.
All right. Thank you. Super Live. Live is super.
Super Live. Live is super, sir.
Yes. No, what he meant just now was when you know, those days, the ancient times, there was no proper piping system. So they had a very old piping system that where it will connect to the well and you have to keep pumping it in US, everywhere in the world. And if you have to pump it so many times before the water starts gushing from the tap. So this concept of if you keep pumping yourself, you will keep pumping it, it will keep pouring one day. And that concept actually came from Zig Ziglar, my mentor, who at the age of 22, I read his book, See You at the Top. Zig Ziglar was used as a man to coach us during that time. And that company that I joined, he was the man. And I used to listen to all his cassettes, books, everything at age of 22. Three people ask me, where does all your words come from? Where do you get? I keep pumping all those words when I was that 22 years old, guys, from then on until today. So those words are all in our system. Nothing is wasted. And he told, if you keep on doing what you're supposed to, keep on keeping on. Keep on keeping on. And if you keep pumping it, one day it will push. But you don't worry. Some people here in this business, it's like farmers, guys. We are like farmers. We are planting seeds in the people's heart. Some seed will fall in the body level. And then if it falls in the body level, they'll definitely see it very limited way. They will see this, they'll see that, they'll compare this, compare that. Some seed will fall on mind level. Mind is bursting to fall. Mind is duality. Mind cannot sit quietly in one place. But there will be a seed that will fall in the heart of the person. That pastor who has not seen the product, who has not seen that he only felt us, that means the seed has fallen in his heart. Okay, when he's fall in the heart, he's also a seed, spiritually embedded, energized dimension. That's what seed means. The seed is a dimension which is embedded in divine, guys. Spiritually embedded, energized dimension, seed. What does a seed want? You are and I are that seed. It needs a P, a purpose in life. You just take a seed, add a P and C, you'll get speed. So a seed with the purpose gives you speed. So the pastor has got purpose now and he's going to rock. In our group now, our organization, all the pastors are doing very well because they got a network of people. And I always tell them, they come to church once a week, they come to sin, but after that, they come back to reality. Reality is biting everybody. So if I give you a fish, you can eat for the day. But if I teach you how to fish, you can eat for the rest of your life. And that's what we are doing for people, guys. It's such a powerful thing. I can see Prakash Pai running behind the back and down, okay? So that's the beauty when you do from your home. All right? So guys, keep rocking. I really enjoyed this session today because why? The number of people. We had 200, we went to almost 300 people and still we have 225 people. I always believe in those people who are sitting here and listening. Those people who go, they will go for many reasons and we cannot say that they have left there and they are very bad. No, they could have left for many, many reasons, guys. But you guys are designed to listen. And if you can listen to one in your heart, and that one can touch you to the core of your being, you're going to touch many lives. Success is not that, it's not like a big tree, it's like not a big thing, it's a small thing. And how you do the small thing is how you're going to do big thing. And when you allow your heart to sip in one info on this that we are sharing today, information, reformation, transformation, guys. Let us inform, let us reform, and let us transform. I thank Darvina for such a wonderful presentation today. These young people are giving me more chance to do my coaching even every now and then. I don't have to have a special day for coaching. Guys, I got another exciting news for you all. On Friday, we are not going to have our regular 8 p.m. Malaysian time or 1 p.m. wherever you are or 12 GMT. we are going to defer for 2 hours because it's going to be a fantastic time. If you can sacrifice your sleep in the countries where you have to sleep, please come on that time because all the founders of Superlife are going to be there. All the founders of Dominator are going to be there. And I'm going to moderate the session. And it's going to be a fantastic session, never seen before. And we are expecting, the last session we had on Sunday, we had 783 people for our training. This particular one, we are going to have at least 1,000 people. If you come late, maybe you will not be able to enter in. And if you as a leader, you see, leaders, you should not stop your people from going anywhere to learn. You should not stop your people to go anywhere to learn. If a leader who stops the people from going to anywhere to learn, the guy is not deserved to be called a leader. A leader encourages people to learn first, and they can learn anywhere they want. And learning by spiritual energy, you are not supposed to charge people. You're supposed to give. If I'm doing it for work, I will charge the companies. But here we are doing it for love, for care, for compassion. We don't charge. But we will open for everybody, but nobody should stop you from coming anywhere. You should come. Even somebody stops you, you should come because your soul is craving for something like this. And the world is deprived of this, guys. So that's going to happen on Friday. Please do not leave that. If you come alone, very soon you're going to get the 2 people. If you come with the 2, very soon you're going to get 10 solid leaders. You need the leaders first before you get the people, guys. My wife and I started 4 years ago, 66 people, direct people. We have 45,000 members now, growing members. Just with few of them, with quality, quantity, service. So I get the quality, I serve the quality brings the quantity, I serve the quality and quantity. I'm here to serve people. People are not here to work for us. Okay, so come on Friday, and then we'll send you the powerful link and session by tomorrow. We are creating a very powerful poster for that. So get all your people to come in on Friday. Then there is another event that's going to come, and that's going to be run by me. I call it FOC. What is FOC? Everybody likes FOC, right? Free of charge. We all are free of charge. We are charged up freely, but we don't know that. I'm going to have a program. I'm going to open up to people of the world. Anyone can join. Not necessarily, and we are not going to talk about Superlife there. Freedom of choice. FOC means freedom of choice. And what God gave us is a freedom of choice, guys. You can choose to be here or you can choose to be anywhere else. When you choose to be here, you have to be 100% body, mind, and soul here. Wherever you are, you have to be 100% there. And if you're 100% there, what needs to happen there will happen for you. Many people don't know how to do that. We are going to teach people on the day. So you can invite your friends, prospects, everything to come there. And we are not going to talk about Superlife. We are going to talk about how to use their body, their mind, and soul with a freedom of choice. We are not going to touch on race, religion, and all that. We are going to touch us as ourselves, to be an authority of your life. We have been given our life to somebody else to authorize for us, from medical, from everywhere. Let's take back the life for ourselves. So freedom of choice is going to come. Look out for that also, FOC. All right? Superlife Life is Super. Mahesh can close the session for me. Thank you. Superlife Life is Super.
So now I think this is feels so satisfying because we had a complete session, amazing sharing, and of course the most valuable wisdom also. So all we have to do is you have to just implement and rock, and together we success. Now I am going to unmute you, everybody over here, and we can say our powerful, positive, vibrating slogan, and we can end the session. All right. Now, yes, everyone can unmute yourself. Yes, and we can say Superlife, life is super.
Superlife, life is super.
Life is super.
Life is super. Life is super.
Life is super.
Life is super. Life is super. We saw, we dominate.
Life is super. We came, we saw, we dominate.
Life is super. Life is super.
Okay, I'll send the recording, guys. Actually, I'll upload the recording and send it. Superlife is super. Thank you so much. Superlife Life is super. Superlife Life is super. Life is super, guys. Superlife Life is super.
Life is super.
Life is super. Life is super.
With the super life.
See all
Life
of
is
you.
super.